All right, one of my favorite cars I've ever driven, a 2001 RUF RGT. This is one of 17 built in 2001. Only half a dozen or so made it over to the United States. This is a real RUF, meaning that Porsche sends bodies in white over to RUF. RUF makes their own VIN numbers. This is a real W09 chassis car. Again, since it comes as a shell to RUF, you get to choose whatever color you want. This owner chose to, believe it or not, this color is off of a late 90s, early 2000 Saab paint code. It's silver green. It's hard to tell in this light, but it kind of flip-flops. It's got like an iridescent quality on it. It's beautiful in person. As you can see, the roof, you have your own, it has a very distinct front bumper. This is a carbon fiber front hood and aero mirrors, massive 19-inch wheels with insanely big brakes, which are fantastic. And then it has this really killer rear, kind of like a ram air effect here, to kind of these scoops that go down. So what this car is that, we over here in the United States did not get the Mark I GT3s. We did not get the first cars that they built. As you all know, we didn't get the GT3 over here until 2004. So what this did is it gave an opportunity for US buyers to get a street legal European spec GT3. And of course, it's not a bone stock GT3 car. RUF has enhanced it quite a bit with, larger heads, different exhaust valves, our roof management system, so ECU and exhaust, and this car, and cats, but this car does not have the exhaust at the moment. It has a cup exhaust. The roof exhaust is included with the car. But on top of all that, this one was special ordered as a lightweight edition. So you go inside real quick. This car does not have air conditioning or heat or radio. It is all business, as you can see right here. And what RUF is really famous for are these integrated roll cages, not roll bars, but actual cages. As you can see, that A-pillar is super fat, and it wraps all the way around. It's kind of hard to see in this light because it's black and Alcantara, but it ties in. You can see how that B-pillar is pretty thick as well. This is all cage in here. Okay, so this is all wrapped in Alcantara. Comes around here in the headliner. You can see this bump right here. This is all cage. Comes around here, so the chassis is super stiff. The RUF Alcantara steering wheel, of course, the infamous RUF green face gauges, which kind of harkens back to the early 911s with their green face gauges. This one is equipped with really high-end JRZ adjustable suspension with remote reservoirs, front and rear. So, like I said earlier, it's got the architecture of a Mark I GT3, but again, RUF has enhanced it quite a bit. They claim 385 horsepower. We all know RUF kind of downplays their horsepower figures. I'm gonna say it's closer to 400. It is super quick, super precise, just an absolute blast to drive. Again, this is an opportunity to own a Mark I, again, loosely Mark I. GT3 over here in the United States, completely street legal, has been in the United States since new. This isn't a recent thing to be brought over here, but it's just unbelievable. So again, 2001 RUF, let me close the door here, RGT, and this incredible silver green. Just a very, very cool car.